Hey guys, this is Fallon from Kisses for Breakfast, and I'm back again with a coconut shrimp pasta. Yummy! I can't wait to get started. Let's go! Alright, so add salt and pepper to your shrimp. I did 8 jumbo pieces of shrimp, and I just mixed that in. Then I'm gonna prepare a pot with boiling water, and I added 2 cups of penne pasta to boil. I actually like my pasta al dente because after boiling, if you overcook your pasta, when you're gonna saute that with the rest of the cheeses and stuff, the pasta is gonna get softer. So just make sure it's like al dente, all right, and not overcooked. I used coconut oil. I did 1 tablespoon to start to cook my shrimp. So coconut oil, of course, because we're doing coconut shrimp pasta. I make sure the pot is hot, but not too hot because coconut oil tend to get overheated and loses its taste and everything if it's used on very high heat. Alright, so I added my shrimp to the pot and I allow them to get at a beautiful color like this. I just wanted to give them a little color. A little brown. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna remove the shrimp from the pot, and after removing that, we're gonna add more oil, 1 more tablespoon of oil to the pot, so we can get the bell peppers, garlic, and the sauce going. Okay, so I'm adding my coconut oil and then I'm gonna add garlic. I did 1.5 tablespoon of garlic. I normally buy the minced garlic, and I buy garlic cloves so I can have both. Then I add a quarter of a whole bell pepper, so quarter of each. So quarter of a whole of the red, green, and the yellow. I did them julienne style, and I just sauteed that with the garlic and coconut oil, and then I added the coconut milk. My coconut milk looks really thick because I unfortunately was in a hurry and did not shake my coconut milk. This is from the can and not the powdered one that I am used to using. It has flavor. It's not the best, but it's good. Then I added 1 cup of parmesan cheese to my pot, and I mix everything together to melt that cheese. You can do powdered cheese, no biggie. Okay, you can do powdered parmesan cheese, that's fine. You can do the fresh one, shaved, whatever you like. Before, what I did, I added so that was bouillon that I added, 1 whole bouillon, and I added water to the pot as well, just so I can loosen the sauce a bit and not make it too thick and clummy. Then I added the shrimp to the pot and mix everything together, and now I'm adding the pasta. So this is my process of how I do it. I hate when if I'm adding veggies to my pasta, I hate when it's like overcooked and my bell peppers or anything or broccoli or whatever doesn't have any form of texture. It's just loose or it's just like soggy, and I hate that. I like when my veggies have crunch, but I also like when the flavor is in there. So this is my step and my process how I do my pasta. This in particular, I love coconut shrimp pasta. I usually go for coconut milk only because my stomach cannot handle cream, unfortunately, but I love to use coconut milk because it's so delicious. So here we go. You can just serve. I believe this can serve too. I had a hard time eating all of this on my own. That's a lot of pasta. I honestly believe that you can definitely serve too. I did 8 pieces of shrimp. Honestly, you could probably add like a couple more pieces in that, just so each person can get probably at least 6 pieces of shrimp each. But this definitely can serve too. And then I garnish it with Parmesan cheese. Yeah, look at that. Amazing. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.